Hello everybody, this is a new, an updated video test of my Samsung SCL-906, because I recently just got a capture card for it right there. So yeah, there's my old Kodak DC-260, my grandma's old camera. There's my TH-350, because I got my amateur radio license. My old phone, I got a Google Pixel 6a recently. A few other things like my Uniden, my old iPhone 4 Panasonic HC V180, got a bucket hat in Washington DC because I went on my Washington DC trip earlier. On my weather radios on my shelf, I have a WR100 version 3 coming. And Dr. Pepper. So yeah, I just realized I never really put my hand in the little hand strap, and also I'm using the viewfinder. Yeah, Dr. Pepper. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this short little video test. I'll use it, I'll definitely use it on another siren recording soon. It's kind of funny how I'm using this, and my Windows theme is Windows XP. Alright, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all later.